Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can repost on SoundCloud. So I'll be teaching you guys a very easy step regarding this one, and if you have any queries and any problem within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away and just follow me. And now without any further delay, let's just get started with the topic. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your SoundCloud app and then search for the sound that you want to, let's say, repost. So let me just go with a random song like this. I'm gonna go randomly like this, and then I'm gonna choose this song to be reposted. So what I will do is I'm gonna go with the three dots on this right like this, and then over here I'll be having option which says repost on SoundCloud, which is just below few comments. Just click on it and it will ask you to add a caption. So you can add a caption or it's option too. So let me just add a caption saying nice one, and then just press on add caption, and then it will be reposted on your profile. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.